To conceal anchor repair marks so your wall looks flawless, apply a thin, feathered layer of joint compound. Sand it smooth, match the texture if present, prime, and repaint. Start by removing any loose material and tapping the anchor until the hole is clean. For holes smaller than 1/4 inch, use a ready-mixed spackling compound and press it into the cavity with a putty knife. Then scrape off the excess so the patch is slightly recessed and dries without ridges. For larger holes, first stuff a small piece of foam or a backing material, then apply a lightweight joint compound in thin passes, letting each pass dry until it is just firm before adding the next. When sanding, use a fine grit sanding block and sand in wide, circular motions to feather the edges into the surrounding wall, so the repair reads flat to the touch. If your wall has a textured finish, recreate the pattern by dabbing or stippling with a wet sponge, brush, or texture tool, while the final compound is still wet, or use a pre-mixed texture product to match the pattern. Always wipe the area with a damp cloth. Let it fully dry, then apply a high-quality shellac or latex primer before painting to ensure even sheen and adhesion. Common mistakes include overfilling the hole, which leaves a visible bump after paint. Prevent that by applying multiple thin layers and feathering the edges. Another issue is sanding too aggressively and creating a low spot that casts a shadow once painted. Avoid that by sanding lightly and checking from different angles under good light. The third frequent problem is a texture mismatch, which makes the repair obvious. To fix this, practice the texture on a scrap board to replicate the pattern and blend the edges outward so the transition is gradual. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners searching for cosmetic repair guidance with local contractors and lets contractors find new work in their area. We host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and compare techniques related to patching, priming, and painting.